Boom shakalaka. Wouldn't you love to buy Bitcoin at $30,000 right now? I know. I would too. Well, right now there's a lot of confusion going on in the market. People are scared. The sky is falling. They don't know if the price is going up or price is going down. While there are some indicators suggesting a possible bottom, there are also some other suggesting that, hey, the floor could fall out beneath us and things could get a lot worse. So I thought, let's take a look back a year ago today and see if we can glean some important lessons from other times of people just being unsure of which direction Bitcoin is going. You definitely want to check this out.
Boom shakalaka, insanely bullish news today for XRP holders, plus the last straw of resistance has broken. This one thing has only ever happened before massive bull runs, and it just happened again. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including how Bitcoin is poised to make an absolute run and where it could be headed in the very near future. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push that like button. Now today, fear and greed at 60, pretty much going sideways for the past few weeks. The overall market, though, up 6% today. Bitcoin at 31,106, Ethereum at 1991, XRP 77 cents, BNB at 256, Cardano 35 cents, Solana $28, Dogecoin 7 cents, and Polygon 85 cents. And we can see XRP up 63% today, Solana up 32% today. Yowza! Now, if you want to know some other coins that could be poised for some massive gains, you could use AI to pick out the best coins by harnessing the power of token metrics. The top coins today would be Cosmos Hub, Compound, Reserve Risk, Harmony, and Caspa. And if you want to check out token metrics for yourself, there's a free trial down in the description. Now, Bitcoin, after hovering sideways for about 2 weeks, massive upward break today. We should see if this can still hold. Now, this comes a day after we had a golden cross of the 50 and 100-day moving average. Should we be able to hold above 31.5, things should be looking very, very good for Bitcoin. Now, a lot of this move comes potentially intertwined with the ruling that a judge rules XRP is not a security in the SEC's case against Ripple, sends the markets up dramatically. Interesting timing, too, for DXY to take a nosedive, coinciding with the XRP case outcome. Really seems like a perfect storm for crypto is upon us. Now, DXY goes counter to Bitcoin, so if DXY is going down, Bitcoin should be likely going up. Similarly, in this chart here, once we had a big red candle in DXY, this pretty much signaled the end of the end. DXY losing its support, the beginning of bull runs in 2016, 2020, and now starting 2023. Also, don't forget, we also have the Bitcoin Spot ETF. And if there's anything that could be an indicator of the expectations for approval of this spot Bitcoin ETF, it would be the GBTC premium. Right now, the discount is less than 30%. First time in over a year it has been this low. That being said, a lot of parties think this Bitcoin spot ETF could get approved. The cool down phase may likely be over. Again, if we can stay above that 31.5 area for Bitcoin, we see previously how we had this cool down phase right here, cool down of the MACD. Well, same thing could be happening once again, where after a cool down phase in bullish markets, markets tend to go sideways and up. So the next move would be a continuation up. This signal here confirms the bull run for Bitcoin. The EMA signal line, EMA baseline, and the EMA trend line are about to cross the EMA 26, as you can see right here. This has only ever happened in 2015 and 2019 at the beginning of massive bull runs. Buckle your seatbelt because we have a breakout of this bullish pattern right here, a cup and handle with a breakout. We have just broken out with a MACD bullish crossover. All of this looking exceptionally bullish. Stay tuned till the end for some predictions where we could be headed. But did you know? I mean, we've taken a look at how Bitcoin reacts to halving cycles. We've taken a look at how Bitcoin reacts to the Chinese 10-year. Well, it turns out Bitcoin is also very correlated with US presidential election years. Now, it could be just a coincidence because the halving's every 4 years and US presidential elections are every 4 years, but check this out. Bitcoin consistently starts bull runs 22 months before US presidential elections. It has entered the pre-run phase. Bitcoin continues to run after election and will reach all-time highs. Now, 22 bars before was pretty much the bottom in December, January. Look at this, 22 bars before, pretty much the bottom. 22 bars before, pretty much the bottom. And then the one before that, it was only 12 bars, but, 22 bars, Bitcoin really didn't exist. Go figure. Now, every time that Bitcoin does cross right here, this 100 EMA, look at that. Very amazing times for holding Bitcoin, pretty much all up territory. And this chart confirms it as well. When we break above or find support on previous resistance and then break above this dotted line right here, that has been the beginning of massive rallies. We are doing that once again right now. Even though you're not buying the absolute bottom at $15,000, guess what? Now is like the second best time that you could be buying. So where could we be headed in the near future? Well, how about some of these targets based on the bullish cipher pattern? First target, 35.9. Second target, 42.2. Third target, 48.6. And fourth target, 57.6 for the targets based on the fib levels of the bullish cipher pattern. So if that's not good news, I don't know what is. But thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
There you have it. Pretty interesting episode, wasn't it? People were just as undecided back then as they are right now. We had pretty much a similar situation where Bitcoin was in a bit of a sideways trend, just like we're in right now. And guess what? Everything turned out just dandy. So maybe we'll all just not be as scared as we were. But that's all for this episode. If you did enjoy it, like the video, come join us on Twitter through CryptoLove, and subscribe to the channel. And YouTube also says you should check out that video right there. So go take a look. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.